Hello everyone. So today's our Codeforces Div 2 round 965 second problem is minimize equal sum subarrays. Okay. So basically you are given a permutation p of length n and you have to find the q permutation of length n that minimizes the number of pairs between I and j such that the sum of the all the elements between I and j of permutation P is equal to sum of all the elements that we will make, that is Q permutation from indexes I to j, right? So basically, suppose this permutation is given, okay? So if I choose the index this 0, 1, and 2, the sum is 6. So we have to make new permutation whose sum is not equal to 6, okay? For this particular. So basically, you have to minimize it, right? If not possible, you can give the same, but if possible, you have to minimize this particular condition. Okay. Now there are multiple ways to solve this particular problem. Uh, Firstly, what is the permutation? So basically, if n is 5, so 1 to 5, all the distinct element are must lie in the array, right? Must lie in the permutation. That would be our permutation. It does not contain any duplicate values. And if n is equal to 3, then all the numbers must be between 1 to 3, right? So here 4 is that is greater than 3, so it's not a permutation. Okay. We have to take test cases and n value is less than 2 into 10 to the power 5. Okay. So now there are multiple ways to solve this particular problem. See, for this particular example, 2, 1 and 2. Now we cannot do anything about this because see, if I is 0 and j is 1, then the sum would be 3 only. Okay. So, but what can we do? We can, in this particular example, we can alter the values of the index of different indexes, right, of this particular example. Now there are multiple ways, like you can reverse the this array, right? That could also uh, give a right answer, right? Or you can do it like in this way: 5 would be moved to zeroth index, and this 1, 2, 3, 4 would be shifted to the next index, that is first, second, third, and fourth index, as 5 will be at the zeroth index. Okay, in this way. So what will happen in this way? From 0 to 3, from 0 to 2 index, earlier the sum was 6, right? Now 5 is as the zeroth index. So from 5 plus first and second index value, that is 1 and 2, would be 5 plus 1 plus 2 would be 8, right? So 6 is not equal to 8. So basically we have minimized it. Okay, and this way every I and j value would be not similar. Okay, so that could be our one answer. Here's the solution. What I have done is I have shifted all the values, like last value is shifted to the first index, and all the rest values are shifted to another index, but that is I plus 1 index. Okay, here I have taken the one vector. Okay, k is equal to, for 0 to k, I've pushed all the values, right? And I have taken one temporary value in which I have stored v of 0 value. Now what I will do is I will basically, for v of I that is on the 0th index, the first value will come, right? And on the last index, the 0th index value would come. Okay, so here is this code, and if I run it, see, you can see here, for n is equal to 2, for k, k is equal to 2. Okay, 1 and 2 was our array, so 2 and 1 is our new array. For 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, our new array is 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Okay, so hope you have understood the problem. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.